Where's my windshield wiper? Well, made it to the gas station. A little worried about that. We're empty. Wasn't filming because it's kind of sketchy. Got no wipers. It's raining. Brakes don't work all that good. But drives pretty smooth. Not bad. Well, throw some gas in it and see if we can get the rest of the weight. All right, so we're 45 minutes into the trek home. It's raining. If this is wipers yes, this is wipers no, we're over here. There's no wipers. This is brakes yes, this is brakes no. We're over here too. No, it's can't see shit in here. Hold on. That's what we got for brake fluid. No, it's I haven't been filming because it's been white knuckle driving. No wipers. It's raining. No brakes. It's been sketchy. Brake booster looks like it's been hanging out underwater. But throw some fluid in and see what happens.
A wash is gonna fix it up. I don't know.
What a fucking absolute unit! And, made it back. Put a few K on it. Running a little rich. Oh yeah. Holy. I'm gonna shoot some carb cleaner through it after I get rid of this this mouse house. Yeah, fucking Alright, I'll run some carb cleaner through it. I'm gonna show you a little trick. Any real gearhead knows to get the most power. First modification you should ever do. It's not gonna go. Oh yeah, there you go. Horsepower. Yeah. A little bit of carb clean and it starts up nicer than my fuel injected car. Look at this. Ooh. 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 Well, just been letting this thing idle a little bit and playing with it. Fun thing about these cars, like I said, this thing sat for 15 years. The guy moved it around his property here and there, which is probably what saved it. But like, this didn't work at all. When I just sat here for the past couple minutes, just flicking it back and forth. Now it's everything's starting to free up. Oh! Still no wipers. Rear window, you can hear it trying. I bet I can get that freed up. It's running pretty nice though. Still got no radio. It's trying though. I bet if I played with this thing the same way I played with the switches. Getting there. This work. No. Oh, ah! Ha! Oh, now I can't turn it off. There we go. How about this one? Same thing. Just work it back and forth a little bit. Let's see. No, that one's no dice. No. There we go. Ooh. Super stiff. I wonder. Do we got interior lights? Where are they on this thing? Should be there. Oh, yeah. There we go. Not bad. Not bad. Ew. Hey, little buddy, how you doing? Doing okay there? Yeah. Now, went to move the old ship box wagon to where it's gonna get stored for the winter. Made it like half a block. died. I think it's out of gas. Battery's weak now too, which is sick. Sent my brother to go get a couple jerry cans, but I've been sitting here for like 20 minutes now. This sucks. Messing around with shitty old cars when it's warm out is a lot more fun. It's warm, brakes, whatever, it's fine, but I'm cold. I want to go home. It's making me like this, like, kind of not like this car anymore. But I still kind of like it. It's still good. It's a big old wagon. Headliner's taking a shit for the worst, but I still like it. I just like it a little less right now.